Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm back with another reading which is going to be for whoever needs it. In this reading we are going to see how the Valentine's Day is going to be for all of you who are watching this reading. Because this is a general reading for everyone out there, so it's not going to resonate with all, but yeah, some messages might resonate with your situation, some might not. So just pick whatever is resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So yeah, let's see how the Valentine's Day is going to be for all of you watching this video. Um, yep, let's see. The Hierophant, the Magician, wow, beautiful. Five of Cups. I feel like, for majority of you, you would be expecting something solid to happen this day. Very, very heavily you would desire that maybe the proposal would come in. Maybe, a person who might have been like, away from you, you might be expecting something heavy is going to happen around this person's situation. But there is going to be a disappointment there. You might have been using tools and techniques to make it happen, but it's not happening, it's not coming. There is going to be a sense of disappointment at the end of the day is what I'm picking up here. You will be having offers coming in, but maybe from the wrong exes, maybe from the people that you don't want, maybe from the people who you don't want back in your life. Yes, there is like, one person out of all those that you are getting out there. It's more like, there is one person who has something stable to offer to you, but right now you're too focused on one specific someone that you don't see that this, any good in the specific ex coming from the past, or specific someone coming in the, maybe this person is somebody completely new who is approaching you, and maybe you don't want to give a chance to this person because you are too lost in the past person. It's very important if you want to see yourself having best life ever, you shall just give people a chance right now. I feel like, you are thinking about what you didn't get, and you are ignoring what you are getting right now in your current circumstances. You have good offers coming in your life, but you are ignoring them, neglecting them, rejecting them because you don't want this from a specific someone new, or another ex of yours. You want it from a specific someone, and that's keeping you stuck there. I feel like, with the Five of Cups in this card here, it seems like, there is one offer which has, very promising future, but you are not giving that a thought, you're not giving that a try. You are to focus on what didn't went good, what didn't go well for you, and the specific someone that you want, it's not happening. So you really have to, you really have to think straight here, because let's see what is the energy of the person that you are waiting for right now. Where is he or she? What is that specific someone doing in their life right now? Let's see what is that specific someone doing in their life right now. Let's see their energy, whatever it is, whoever it is that you are waiting for. Let's see their energy. We are tapping into their energy, as in what is going on in their life right now, not about you, but overall. What is it about them only? Five of Wands, the Empress. What is the Empress? Why they are stressed then? This person could have been, stressed around love life situations lately. This person is either, I'm picking up two situations here. Maybe this person is under pressure of their family, especially their mother figure. Now this person could be controlled by the mother figure of this person. Like, it's there is something to do with her pressurizing him, is what I'm picking up, or her picking is what I'm picking up. There is a mother figure which is dominant in this person's attitude right now. Whatever she tells him or her, if you are dealing with a guy or if you are dealing with a girl, just pick how it is resonating with you. The mother figure is the one dominating in this situation here. I feel like, this person is maybe open to see proposals, meet new people, but through a specific female in their life, which is, I believe, with the Empress is the mother figure for that person. This person, the other situation that I'm picking up is this person is stressed about getting married right now. They don't want to get married. They are stressed because they are being pressurized by the family, by the religion, by the by the customs and the pressure of the society, whatever it is. This person really don't want that right now. So I'm picking up two situations. One is being pressurized by the parents, or one that this person really doesn't want to be in that. They really want their time and space to focus on their work and career only. Now, whether it's you or another person, this person is not at all ready to be in any sort of loving relationship right now. So that's them. They don't want it. They want their space. They want their peace right now, and that's what they desire at the moment. Now let's see, how do this person see you? They have their guards up. They have their guards up. Like I said, they are not ready to be with anyone right now. They have their other goals to achieve. So you are not in their mind at all. Now you are getting some new offers, new love and trust. People are showing their love and trust in you, but you are not accepting that offer because you are waiting for this person who is not at all ready to give you anything right now. Whether you choose to wait on for this person or whether you choose to move on, it's your call, your decision. But seeing the energies, it seems like there is somebody in your life right now as well who is promising, who can offer you whatever you want, but you are too focused on this person who is not at all thinking about love life right now. So it's you wasting your time. Trust me, this person is being asked to get married, to get settled down by their family as well. This person is not going to do that even. If you think that the person is under pressure of the family, they want him or her to marry somebody else, they will not marry that person either. Why? Because the energies are not supporting the marriage or love energy. Maybe their chart, their astrological chart could be also against them right now when it comes to love life area. Now, what you can do to come out of the situation: one thing, decide for you first for yourself. Do you want to wait on for this person? One thing. Or do you want to move on? Then make your mind around it. Think, what do you want after this? How can you reach your target goal around this love life area? Until and unless you have the clarity, nothing's going to move forward. You have to put efforts to make things happen. Affirmations, visualization, meditation, everything is all that you can do to improve this connection situation right now. If you choose to wait on for this person, you really have to be on the positive end to receive what you want. If you think that this person and the waiting on for this person adds toxicity in your life, don't do that. Move on. You have a new person in your life offering you. It doesn't have to be a new person as in a new person completely. It can be a new person. It can be another ex of yours as well. But yes, I don't see you interested in that person. Why? Because you are too focused on this person. There's nothing wrong with the offer that you have. It's more of your thought around it, which is stopping this connection. Now it's up to you. You want to wait on for this person or you want to move on, that's your call, but that's what I'm seeing happening for you for today. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.